Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Tim the Bot Man with Tim Armstrong Marketing, and I want to show you the kind of final steps you need to take to make sure that you're getting your notifications properly. And once you've got everything set up, I want you to come over here to Settings and then click in the Notifications part of the settings. And what you'll want to do is make sure that you've got your email for notifications set up properly. I don't want mine to go to my personal. I'm going to have them go to my business. Just like that. I'm going to click Update. And then what's going to happen is I have to go check my email and confirm that that's where I want my email sent. And then I want to make sure that my phone number is set up here for me to get text notifications, right? And then you have to make sure you put the +1 and then your phone number in there. Check the box. And that'll make sure that you get your SMS notifications. So when somebody completes your flow or has a question and you need to be notified, this cuts through the clutter and gets it right to your text so that you get notified. Now, of course, you also want to set your subscriber reports interval. You know, do you want to get daily, weekly, monthly, or never subscriber reports? How many people opted into your bot? And then notify me on Messenger when a conversation is assigned to me. Definitely check that box. And then we also want to make sure that Messenger, email, and SMS are all checked right here. Okay. So now also, if you've got a brand new account, down below this area right here, there's going to be a subscribe to your bot button, right? Subscribe right here. You'll definitely want to click that so that you are opted into your own bot and you get those notifications. So hopefully this will clear up any questions you might have about how you can get notifications when people do something important in your bot. Go ahead and try that out. If you have any questions, definitely reach out. I'm here for you. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.